Welcome to Famous Last Words, Advent of Code, Day 22. We're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And today, we've got a special show for you. One of the viewers has actually reached out to us. So a portion of this show was actually scripted by them. Let's get into it. Operating at these extreme ocean depths has overloaded the submarine's reactor. It needs to be rebooted. The reactor core is made up of a large three-dimensional grid made up entirely of cubes. One cube per integer, three-dimensional coordinate. Each cube can be either on or off. At the start of the reboot process, they are all off. To reboot the reactor, you just need to set all of the cubes to either on or off by following a list of reboot steps. Each step specifies a cuboid and whether to turn it all of the cubes in that cuboid on or off. Execute the reboot steps. Afterward, considering only cubes in the specified region, how many cubes are on?
A little tricky today, working in multiple dimensions again. Be interesting to see how many people solve it and see what the leaderboard looks like tomorrow. I had feedback from a person on the leaderboard yesterday who criticized that me saying yesterday's challenge looked easy, that I did not read part 2. Apparently part 2 yesterday was pretty horrible. So again, part 1 today doesn't seem too out of the realm of possibility.
But we've read ahead to part 2 and we know it also is challenging.
It may in fact be solvable though. We'll have to wait until tomorrow and see.
Can you imagine if you set up one of these things to be
unsolvable?
Yeah, unsolvable. Like,
there'd be a lot of very angry people.
I mean, all of 19 people would be angry because everybody else isn't that far. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it for our show. Well, we're going to find you tomorrow for day 23. And we got another special for that. So stay tuned. We'll catch you then. We're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And we're signing off.
Bye.
Woo!
Nice sign off. At least I bring the fun.
Yeah, the funny looking.